Good day, friends!
I am Audrey.
I am Justin.
And I'm Richelle.
And we are from Floor Emerald.
We are here to show you how to remove and install a power supply and motherboard.
First, we will remove the power supply. We will remove the screws.
Sige, wala.
There you have it. We remove the power supply.
On removing the motherboard, first, we're going to remove the screws. This may take a while. You better make sure you remove all the screws because motherboard is very sensitive to any damage. And this
After removing the power supply and the motherboard, we are now going to install the power supply. And there you go. This is the first step on how to install the power supply. Put up the screws. Oh, I can see the screws. Please be aware of your actions because it might,
Fall.
it might harm you. It's hard. It's hard.
British accent.
And the last screw, oh, it doesn't fit. I'll make it fit.
Maybe it's you. It's Gavin. So
Wait. Let's move.
I need someone to take you. Magkano palit na yan? Okay.
And there it is, the installed power supply.
Japan.
After installing the power supply, the last thing we're going to do is to install the motherboard. Please be careful with the screw because it is an pointed object. It can kill people.
Napaka-lethal weapon. There you go. Note that this is a not working system unit. If you're working on your system unit, please be aware that you should use an electrostatic discharge valve. Thank you.